So, what, maybe 2 o'clock to 5:15. Slowly hacking away at boxes and going through stuff in storage to throw out, donate to Goodwill, and figure out how I'm going to fit everything in there now that I don't have the trailer. I have that much more space taking up in my storage. So it started to snow, and it's snowing pretty heavy now. Wet snow, slushy. On the way to the storage, I stopped at Safeway and grabbed their $5 Friday sushi dragon roll and used the bathroom. I was gonna stop at Starbucks, but realized that I don't get the bonuses unless it's after 2, and it was like 1:45. So anyways, I feel like I got a lot productive done, but I'm tired. This whole process is wiping me out. Anyways, 5:30, I'm headed to Goodwill to make a donation drop off, and then I log in at 6 to do deliveries. But I'm not sure how long I'm going to do deliveries because the weather increases risks, dangers, and accidents, and stuff like that. Plus, everyone's orders are always late, and you'd think they'd be appreciative of tips for driving in these conditions, but generally no. So, evening recap. After the movie, I just decided to can the whole evening. It was a pretty bad blizzard, and I couldn't see, so I had a phone call with Kian. He was in good spirits, and we chatted for a bit while I was in the parking lot, and then drove home through the blizzard and called it a night. I had some stopped by Target and grabbed some quick dinner to go, things on special, and then retired to my room and pretty much vegged out to Hannah, fell asleep, and that was it.
So Dumbo, that was a good movie. I took a break and went to the AMC in Parker, and I watched Tim Burton's Dumbo, which is pretty good at that. Good plot, good actors. Really enjoyed it.
Maybe entering a blizzard, decided no more deliveries, so called it a night.